Let's get started. So how to iterate set collection? Set collection by iterator method. Okay. So iterator method you can use and you can iterate it. So iterator interface. So it equal to collection name handles dot iterator methods. Import this iterator. You have to import the right package, java.util package, not other packages. Then you will get a issue. So now you extract. So you can iterate, right? You can extract parent and child window. So parent and child window, you can only two windows we have, right? That's why you can extract parent and child window separately. So string parent window ID equal to, so it dot, how can you get the value from the IT variable? Which method you need to call? Next method.
Has.
Next method, not has. So add cast to that one. Otherwise, if you add cast here as string type, you don't need to do this type casting. So when get child window, child ID, it dot next. So you got the parent window ID, you got the child window. Now where you want to switch? Switch to child window.
Ramesh, if I see now, you know that only two windows here. So we are using directly. First one is a parent window, and the second one is window.
So always this set in the it will be in the linked set they have used. So in the order they will store first parent, then child.
Yeah. You want to find size of the windows and then you can iterate.
So we have a reusable methods. You can use a reusable method in our web framework. We can use that. Otherwise, you can write this process. You extract the parent window and child window, then you switch to child window. So how to switch? Driver dot switch to method dot window method dot child window ID. That's it. So it will go to child window now. So once it goes to child window, I need to, so first, so get here and so you can click on this login button. So maybe I can get relative XPath. So that relative XPath we can use. Let me use selectors hub. So what this guy has given, we'll see. This guy has given a very big one. See, that's, we cannot trust it. So again, this guy also not that much good. We have to write our own. So I'll write our own. See, you have a login, right? Just login, inspect it. So inspect. So span class is there. And then just login. You can take login text only directly. We'll construct // span text function equal to
login
value, login. Log in.
Small in.
See how many are there? 2 are there. So I don't want 2, right? I want only 1. What I can do, I'll put index. Now how many? Still 2. Where are that two? I want to see that. This is the one. Where is the other one? Maybe here. Oh, okay, here. You can see here. Here also one is there. So
Second
I
one.
want.
Second
So I
one.
want. So you can see the second one.
No. 0 and 1 maybe. I don't know.
Index of 2. Index of 1 means you're getting 2.
So,
Oh, XPath 1, XPath 2 are there. So this one is XPath 1, I think. Whatever we have written, that is XPath 1. No? Where is that? This is the one. XPath 1. You can use XPath 1 otherwise. I can do one more thing. At the rate XPath equal to 1.
multiple vectors.
Yeah, now we got exactly. Okay. One
This is
element matching.
multiple attributes option, right, Ramesh?
Hmm?
This is called multiple attribute values.
Multiple attributes you can use. With the text and attribute, both I'm using. So this is all by practice only will get, otherwise it's a difficult, okay? So yeah, so click on reporter dot log more. So I today I posted some questions. Did you see that? Show me where you practiced this concepts in which website. So that's what the kind of questions they will ask. You have to practice. You can tell, okay, this kind of. So we have this kind of applications we practice. Okay, you have to impromptu answer the such kind of questions. Log. Click on login button in Xpost child window. So that is true. And then, so driver dot find element by dot XPath. So copy this. Don't depend on the tools, okay? So always you try your best. If you're confident on that, then you depend on the tools. See, now experts there that is not giving properly. That's a problem. It is taking that a bigger class. That's not good, right? Some you build your own XPath, very shortcut XPath, so that it always so no flaky object identification. Now, okay, when you click on this, see you got another. Now you got a title. So I'll wait for this page title. Let's wait for the page title. So reporter dot log. Wait for the login to Xpost title. True.
Wait back until let's go to the list.
Title still not able to find it, right? Control F. title. Still title.
Yes.
Here it is. Wait dot until expected conditions dot title contains. So you can just put this. So even still, I can wait for this this one, either this one or this one. Okay, any one of them. So see here they have given relative XPath. You can give this. I can use this. It's not only XPath is copied. Okay. So wait dot until expected conditions visibility of element located. Visibility of web element. I need to pass web element. So driver dot find element. That's a web element, right?
By dot export.
Or just give this XPath. That's it. Oh, so I need to type here in this edit box. So I reached here, I need to type here. Still, and it should be input. Yeah, input, this one. This is the one. So you can see here, auto capitalize, auto complete is the username he has given. Name is text he has given. So that's our step. So they should not do that. So text should be given to type attribute. But they didn't use the type attribute here. Yeah, type he used text. Class, okay. So I'll use autocomplete, okay? Autocomplete. I'll write my own XPath. So let's write here also, I think he has written. Yeah, he has written. No, autocomplete he didn't use. Let me.
We will use and try.
No, he didn't use it. Use autocomplete.
That means it will not load the data. While we are
So,
using.
Currently for my class, I'm just posing.
so now we need to type the value, right? Reporter dot log. So type the value in username edit box. So true. So what I'm going to do, I'll identify the element first, okay? So there are the reasons why I'm identifying it. Let me tell you. Web element username edit box equal to, so driver dot find element by dot XPath. So double forward slash import square bracket @ auto complete attribute equal to single quote the value username. That's it. So now first what I'm going to do, I'll clear the content here. Clear method. I'm covering all the other methods. So now type the value. So reporter dot log. Type the value in username edit box. True. So username edit box dot send keys rameshan3@gmail.com. Now, how can you get this value? So you typed fine, right? How can you get the typed value? Fetch the typed value from username edit box. So basically, you have to use a get attribute method. Get attribute and value attribute use. So string typed value equal to, so username edit box dot username edit box dot get attribute of value attribute. So basically, when you type something, it will go and store in the value attribute. Okay, so that's one. Now you can asset also. You can asset. So typed value, this value, and your expected value. See, I'm asserting that. Asset dot asset equals. So typed value and my expected value. So I can just put rameshan3@gmail.com. But I'm two times I'm using. Make sure when you're using more than one time, put it in one variable and call that variable. So that variable you can use in multiple places. That's the best practice, but this is not the best practice. Here and here, two times you declared. So it's not good practice. You have to declare value always one time. Okay, so done. I typed here and I can close it here now. So now close the child window. How can you close the child window? Driver dot. How can you close the child window?
Driver.quit, if you use all, it will close, right?
Driver dot close. So now you need to switch back to the parent window. Switch back to the parent window. How can you switch back to the parent window? So driver dot
Navigate.
switch to navigator.
No,
Why navigator?
no.
Switch to only. If
No,
there is no navigation, not in the same browser, you are going from this window, you're closing this window, but still cursor will be in this. Even though if you close also, cursor will be there only. I need to bring back here in this window. That means parent window I have to bring. So switch to dot window of the window ID. So the window ID, parent window ID. You switch to parent window, and you can use one more also. Driver dot switch to method dot default content also you can use, so that it will come definitely to this parent window. Okay, I came back here. Now I need to check. Okay, how do you know you reached the parent window?
Validation.
So use the, so this one, I'm going to use this class. I'm going to use this class. I'm going to use this class. So identify first. So reporter dot log identify the date edit box. Web element. So date edit box equal to driver dot find element by dot xpath. Want to use xpath. So double forward slash input. If you don't want to give so this tag name, you can just put a star, okay? Not necessary. You need to provide. So clear the content first. Clear. Then type the value. So there is already 27. I'll give 28. Okay. Yeah. So this is the whole test case I want to do. Okay. This is the whole test case I want. Let's run this. So see, we have written all the steps. We don't know, right, whether it is going to run properly or not. If you run only, you will come to know. So run multiple times. Then you will see that this is the test case. Right click, run as TestNG test. Okay. So LoggerFactory. So no class def found error. Class not found exception. Where is that? We didn't use, right? Get logger 7.10.1. So I think somewhere I have given this solution, same solution, but that is a different one. I think we got different one now. So what version of TestNG we have? We need to see this. Go here, marketplace, and you can see installed ones. Here is our TestNG. Yeah, this is our TestNG. We don't have the option here. Which TestNG we have? See, Best Cedric, that developed by Best Cedric. Let's see what is the solution we have in our blog. We have already. So you need to go to hybrid framework utils. I think here I have kept the solution for that. Not here, I think. Not here. Hybrid framework. Here. Yeah. So java.lang, no class def found error. But this we can specify in the template model. Yeah. SLF4J LoggerFactory. So this is different. Okay, so let's Google it. Or I can ask even ChatGPT. So this is the new issue. It's not getting properly. If you're creating a plain Java TestNG project without using Maven, you need to manually include the SLF4J library in your project class path. Here is you can do it. So download the SLF4J library from the official website. Extract the downloaded archive and locate the jar file. SLF4J API. If you are creating a plain Java TestNG project using Maven, you need to manually include the SLF4J library in your project class path. So once you have added the SLF4J library, okay. So let's go to this is running tests through TestNG. This is the same issue. So you can search here also Stack Overflow. This is how you need to search. So in the Google, you search it, you will get some answers. See, they also got the same issue, right? See, I have installed my TestNG from the marketplace. I'm studying software testing using Selenium with Java. I expect a printout with this basic code. Instead, it displays an error. Okay, so that's the same they got. So added the following dependency or the error was gone. So they added SLF4J API and the error was gone. This was the output. Okay, so that's the one solution. It is just a warning. I have the same and it doesn't affect the test execution. You can simply ignore that. So basically we need a SL4J jar file. Let's add that. Okay. So where you can get it, go to Maven project, Maven repository. So just search it. See SLF4J, this is the one, right? First one. You can add. So I can add this one. I don't want alpha one. See here you have a Java. This is the one, right? API. But we are not using Maven. So I need a jar file. Click on this jar file. So this jar file is downloaded. So I'll include this in our description. You can use that. So maybe I can include this solution in our blog also, where TestNG is there. Let me include in our blog. The solution also we need. TestNG framework. So we got an error. So what is the error we got? So let's come. So problem is TestNG test case from Eclipse. So got below error. Solution. Still we don't know. Solution include the SL4J. SL4J jar in project class path. If the project is plain Java project. If project type is a Maven, include below dependency in form.xml. So that's a dependency you have to include. So either you use this dependency or download this project. So the solution one, and if it is two. So SLF4J jar. Where is the jar? Let's go to jar. This is the jar. Jar. They are in project class path. If the project is a plain Java project. Okay. So let's see now. So I'll add this to our project. So build path, configure build path and class path, select the external jars and go to downloads, right? Where it is, it's in the downloads and add it. Apply and close. So now after that, run it. Run as TestNG Java. See now that's a solution. Now we are able to run the programs. So this is, you will get the solution easily in Google, right? But it failed, but different reason, but not that one, right? It's a different. You see, element not interactable exception. So different. It's a different issue. So where it came to different areas. So you see element title could not be scrolled into view. So that's a different issue. We can find it.
Selenium. It is Selenium exception.
It's a Selenium exception. All these exceptions, please remember, that's a question even Muni also got in one of the interview. What are the different Selenium exceptions? We already see no such element exception, timed out exception, and now WebDriver exception and element not interactable exception. So this is the which line you can see how to search this. Our class, our package, class name. See, this is the line number 40, and click method is failing. So this is the one. The post method is not able to click. So it is not able to click. That means it is not able to switch. Switch is not working, I think. That's the problem. So it is not able to switch. Without switching, it doesn't, right? So I'll do the switching forcefully with a driver dot switch to method dot frame method, and you give web element frame. So this web element, I'll do one thing. Cut it and identify web element. Iframe element equal to this is the one. So you can pass the same element in two places, right? Here and here also. Done. This should work. So let's see now. So the solution is that it's not able to interact. That means it's not visible. Maybe this didn't switch. So this method is not helping. So let's see now. Still same issue. No such element exception now. So see, the exception now changed. No such element exception. The element with reference
Not found.
is not known in the current browsing context. So where that is, see that. You don't need to worry about, look for our class name and line number 41. So this one. So that means it is not able to find it out. So what I'm going to do here is maybe this number I'm doubtful little bit. So I'll change this, okay? CSS selector. CSS selector. And so tag name is, what is the tag name? iframe, right?
Yeah, iframe dot
Tag and ID star